Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about the commutative property. So what does commutative mean? Well, it means that the answer will be the same no matter in which order you do the operation. Now, not all operations or things that you can do with numbers are going to be commutative, but addition and multiplication are commutative. Subtraction and division are non-commutative. So let's take a look at the commutative property of addition to start. So that says that A plus a B equals B plus A. So notice that if you swap the order of your numbers, it doesn't change the answer. Let's see this in practice. If I told you 5 plus 3, well, that equals 8. But what if I swapped 5 and 3? What if I made it 3 plus 5? Well, that still equals 8. And that's, again, because addition is commutative. What about the commutative property of multiplication? Well, that says that A times B is the same thing as B times A. Swapping the numbers in multiplication shouldn't change the answer. Let's see if that works in practice. 2 times 7 equals 14. But what if I swap the order? 7 times 2? Well, that also equals 14. And that's because multiplication is commutative. Now, why is subtraction non-commutative? Well, A minus B is not going to equal B minus A. Let's see an example of that. If I did 10 minus 4, I would get 6. But then what happens if I did 4 minus 10? I swapped it. Well, that's going to give me negative 6. Well, 6 and negative 6, well, they kind of look similar, are actually not the same because one's positive and one's negative. So we can see that swapping the order did change the answer. So subtraction is non-commutative. Let's take a look at division as well. Why is that non-commutative? Well, A divided by B is not going to be the same thing as B divided by A. Example, 4 divided by 2, it's 2. What about 2 divided by 4? Well, that's 0.5 or 1/2, which is exactly not the same thing as 2, right? So that is actually the reciprocal of 2. So that means that division is confirmed to be non-commutative. And that's your introduction to the commutative property.